GST, Goods and Services Tax, and Indian Contract Act 1872. Kerala PSC question paper for departmental exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, SET, in-service exams, degree PG level exams, and various other exams. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Date of examination, July 2021. Question number 1. When did the Central Goods and Services Tax Act receive the assent of the President? Answer, 12th April 2017. Question number 2. As per the Central Goods and Services Act, dash is the full amount a recipient of a supply is required to pay in order to obtain the goods or services, or both, when the recipient and the supplier are not related. Answer, market value. Question number 3. In order for a union territory to be qualified as state under the Central Goods and Services Act, it should have, answer, legislature. Question number 4. The period for which the return is required to be furnished as per the Central Goods and Services Act is dash. Answer, tax period. Question number 5. Government under Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act means, answer, central government. Question number 6. By what term is a person called in the Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act who is a broker, an agent, or any other person who facilitates the supply or services, or both, but does not supply goods or services, or both, on his own account? Answer, intermediary. Question number 7. As per the Goods and Services Tax Compensation to States Act, transition period means a period of dash years from the transition date. Answer, 5. Question number 8. The Goods and Services Tax Council is established under Article dash of the Constitution. Correct answer, 279A. 279A. Question number 9. How many chapters are there in the Central Goods and Services? Answer, 21. I repeat question number 9. How many chapters are there in the Central Goods and Services Act? Answer, 21. Question number 10. Who is not an officer for the purpose of Central GST Act? Option A, Principal Chief Commissioner of Central Tax. Option B, Joint Commissioner of Central Tax. Option C, Deputy Commissioner of Central Tax. Option D, Accountant General of Central Tax. Answer, Accountant General of Central Tax. Question number 11. Correct answer, option D, Accountant General of Central Tax. Question number 11. Supply under Central GST Act 2017 includes dash if it is made for a consideration by a person in the course of or furtherance of business. Option A, sale. Option B, transfer. Option C, barter. Option D, all. Correct answer, option D, all. Question number 12. A registered person can opt for composition levy if his aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year did not exceed dash rupees. Answer, 1.5 crore. Question number 13. What is the time of supply or service for the liability to pay tax when invoice date is 12/12/2019, date of provision of service is 1/1/2020, and the recipient show the receipt of service as 1/3/2020 in his book of accounts? Correct answer, 12/12/2019. 12/12/2019. Question number 14. For input tax credit, a registered person has to furnish return under dash of Central GST Act. Correct answer, option A, section 39. I repeat question number 14. For input tax credit, a registered person who has to furnish return under dash of Central GST Act. Answer, section 39. Question number 15. A person who are liable for registration under CGST Act are defined in chapter. Answer 6. Roman letter 5.1, that is 6. Question number 16. GST registration is not compulsory for. Answer option A. Persons making any interstate taxable supply. Option B. Persons who are to pay tax under reverse charge. Option C. Casual taxable person making taxable supply. Option D. Casual non-taxable persons making non-taxable supply. Correct answer option D. Casual non-taxable persons making non-taxable supply. Question number 17. GST registration can be cancelled if return has not been furnished for a continuous period of dash. Answer 6 months. Question number 18. Tax invoice has to include dash in accordance with the Central GST Act. Answer option A. Description of goods. Option B. Value and quantity of goods. Option C. Tax charged. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer all of the above. Option D. Question number 19. A person who is not registered is prohibited from collection of GST as per section dash in the Central GST Act. Answer 32. Question number 20. A supplementary invoice can be issued for dash under CGST Act. Answer debit note. Question number 21. A GST registered person is required to retain the book of account until the expiry of dash months from the due date of furnishing annual return. Correct answer 72. Question number 22. In which chapter is zero rated supply is dealt with in Integrated Goods and Services Act? Answer chapter 7. Chapter Roman letter 5.1.1, that is 7. Chapter 7. Question number 23. Supply between dash is not interstate supply under Integrated GST Act. Option A. Two different states. Option B. Two different union territories. Option C. A state and a union territory. Option D. A state and special zone within that state. Correct answer option D. A state and special zone within that state. Question number 24. Which year is taken as the base year for calculating compensation amount to states under Goods and Services Tax Compensation to States Act? Answer 31/3/2016. Question number 25. Information for GST registration is provided in form. Answer GST REG 01. I repeat question number 25. Information for GST registration is provided in form. Correct answer GST REG 01. Question number 26. How many characters are there in GST identification number? Answer 15. Question number 27. Where should a registered person display the GST number? Option A. Principal place of business. Option B. Name board at the entry of his principal place of business. Option C. Invoice issued. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer all of the above. Question number 28. Which of the following is not maintained in relation to payment of GST? Option A. Electronic liability register. Option B. Electronic credit ledger. Option C. Electronic cash ledger. Option C. Electronic business ledger. Correct answer electronic business ledger. Question number 29. Which document is not acceptable for claiming input tax credit? Answer option A. Voucher. Option B. Invoice from the supplier. Option C. A debit note issued by the supplier. Option D. Input service distributor invoice. Correct answer option A. Voucher. Question number 30. Details of outward suppliers are provided in form. Answer GSTR 1. Question number 31. Form GSTR 3 is prepared for submission of dash return. Answer monthly. Question number 32. As per Central GST Act, which is the minimum amount to allow refund when taxes paid in excess? Answer ₹1,000. Question number 33. GST collected is to be paid dash to the government. Answer monthly. Question number 34. Order sanctioning final amount of refund is made in form dash. Answer GST RED 06. Question number 35. A goods and services tax practitioner can undertake dash on behalf of a registered person. Answer appearance before tax authority without authorization. Question number 36. Final return is furnished in form. Answer GSTR 10. Question number 37. The price of an article is rupees 1000 and it attracts GST at the rate of 18%. The amount a consumer has to pay is answer 1180. Question number 38. A person who has cancelled GST registration has to furnish dash within 3 months. Answer final return. Question number 39. A registered person who fails to furnish details of inward or outward supply has to pay late fee of dash for every day during which such failure continues subject to maximum of 5000 rupees. Answer rupees 1000. Answer rupees 1000. Question number 40. Electronic cash ledger is maintained in form dash. Answer GST PMT 05. GST PMT 05. Question number 41. When was GST implemented? Answer 1/7/2017. Question number 42. National Bench of Appellate Tribunal in respect of is situated in dash. Answer New Delhi. Question number 43. If a taxable person fails to pay collected GST amount within dash is liable to pay penalty. Answer 3 months. Question number 44. Which is not a offence under Central GST Act? Option A. Fraudulently obtains refund of tax. Option B. Issuing an incorrect or false invoice. Option C. Supply of invoice without supply of goods or service. Option D. Going to an appellate authority. Correct answer, going to an appellate authority. Question number 45. I repeat question number 44. Which is not a offence under Central GST Act? Answer option A. Fraudulently obtain refund of tax. Option B. Issuing an incorrect or false invoice. Option C. Supply of invoice without supply of goods or service. Option D. Going to an appellate authority. Correct answer option D. Going to an appellate authority. Question number 45. The Common Goods and Services Tax electronic portal is not for. Answer option A. Registration. Option B. Payment of tax. Option C. Invoice creation. Option D. Electronic waybill. Correct answer option C. Invoice creation. Question number 46. Which section deals with the obligation to furnish information written as per the Central GST Act? Answer 150. 150. Question number 46. Which tax does not come under GST? Answer option A. Central GST. Option B. VAT. Option C. State GST. Option D. Integrated GST. Correct answer option B. VAT. Question number 48. Which section deals with the power to make regulation in Integrated GST Act? Answer 23. Question number 49. What is applicable to interstate supply of goods and services? Answer Integrated GST. Question number 50. Which schedule covers activities to be treated as supply even if made without consideration in Central GST Act? Answer Schedule 1. Question number 51. Which of the following is treated as supply of goods or services? Answer any transfer of the title in goods. Question number 51. Which of the following is treated as supply of goods or services? Option A. Any transfer of the title in goods. Option B. Service of an employee to the employer in the course of employment. Option C. Service of funeral. Option D. Service of mortuary. Correct answer option A. Any transfer of the title in goods. Question number 52. In an invoice related to supply within a state, central. I repeat question number 52. In an invoice related to supply within a state, I repeat question number 52. in an invoice related to supply within a state central GST charged is 9%. What is state GST? Correct answer 9%. Question number 53. What is the maximum GST collectible under Integrated IGST Act? Answer 40%. 40%. Question number 54. Notice to non-filers of return is furnished in form. Answer GSTR 3A. Question number 55. Which document is to be carried by a person in charge of a conveyance as per CGST rule? Answer E-way bill. Question number 56. Application for compounding of offence related to GST is given in form. Answer GST CPD 01. Question number 57. Reverse charge liability is on. Answer service recipient. Question number 58. E-way bill does not have. Answer option A GSTIN of supplier. Option B place of dispatch. Option C GSTIN of recipient. Option D signature of the Commissioner of Taxes. Correct answer option D signature of the Commissioner of Taxes. Question number 59. A contract is completed when dash as per Indian Contract Act. Answer offer made is accepted. Question number 60. The person making the proposal in relation to contract is called. Answer promisor. Question number 61. An agreement not enforceable by law is said to be dash as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer void. Question number 62. Communication of the proposal. When A proposes by letter to sell a house to B at a certain price is completed when. Answer B receives the letter. Question number 63. A promise made without any intention of performing it as per Contract Act is. Answer fraud. Options A cheating, B violation, C misrepresentation, D fraud. Correct answer option D fraud. Question number 64. A promise is not void if it is caused by dash in the light of Indian Contract Act. Answer free consent. Question number 65. A contract is said to be induced by dash if one of the parties is in a position to dominate the will of the other. Answer undue influence. Question number 66. Dash agreement means an agreement whereby the nominal plaintiff agrees with the maintainer to share with or give to him a part of whatever is gained as the result of the suit maintained. Answer Chamberlain's agreement. Chamberlain's agreement. Question number 67. Agreement by way of wager is. Answer agreement by way of wager is. Answer void. Question number 68. A and B contract to marry each other. Before the time fixed for marriage, A goes mad. What happens to the contract? Become void. Answer become void. Question number 69. When the check of insurance premium is dishonored. Answer the insurer need not perform his part of promise. Question number 70. Dash is the committing or threatening to commit any act forbidden by the Indian Penal Code or by unlawful detaining with the intention of causing any person to enter into an agreement. Answer coercion. Question number 71. As per the Contract Act, dash is a person employed to do an act for another or to represent another in dealing with third persons. Answer agent. Question number 72. The bailment of goods as security of a debt or performance of a promise is called. Answer pledge. Question number 73. Dash is a contract by which one party promises to save the other from loss caused to him by the conduct of the promiser himself or by the conduct of any other person. Answer contract of indemnity. Question number 74. Dash is not necessary to create an agency. Answer option A consideration, option B age of majority for agent, option C sound mind for agent, option D ability to show responsibility towards principal. Correct answer option A consideration. Question number 75. Dash is a contract to do or not to do something if some event collateral to such contract does or does not happen. Answer: contingent contract. Question number 76. A contract is dash merely because it was caused by one of the parties to it being under mistake as to a matter of fact. Answer: not voidable. Question number 77. An agreement enforceable by law is called. Answer: contract. Question number 78. A patient in lunatic asylum who is at intervals of sound mind may contract during those intervals. Answer: true. Question number 79. When a person to whom money is paid or thing delivered by mistake under coercion, the person, answer, must repay or return. Question number 80. A person who finds goods belonging to another and a person who finds goods belonging to another and takes them into custody is subject to the same responsibility as a dash. Answer: bailey. Question number 81. A dash is a contract to perform the promise or discharge the liability of a third in case of default. Answer: contract of guarantee. Question number 82. The liability of the surety is coextensive with that of the dash unless it is otherwise provided by the contract. Answer: principal debtor. Question number 83. A guarantee which extends to a series of transactions is called a. Answer: continuing guarantee. Question number 84. The person for whom the agent act is called the. Answer: principal. Question number 85. Agreement is void if. Answer: meaning is not certain. Question number 86. A, B and C jointly promises to pay D 3000 rupees. D may compel dash to pay him 3000 rupees. Answer: option A only, option B only, option C only, option D either A or B or C. Correct answer: option D, either A or B or C. Question number 87. Termination of the authority of an agent causes the termination of the authority of all dash appointed by him. Answer: sub-agents. Question number 88. A agrees to pay B a sum of money if a certain ship does not return. The ship is sunk. What happens to the agreement? Answer: can be enforced. Question number 89. How many chapters are there in the Indian Contract Act 1872? Answer: 11. 11. Question number 90. In which year the Indian Contract Act is extended to Sikkim? Answer: 1984. 1984. Question number 91. Release of one co-surety does not discharge others. Answer: true. I repeat, question number 91. Release of one co-surety does not discharge others. Answer: true. Question number 92. An agent has lien on the principal's property until. Answer: the amount due to him for commission, disbursement and services has been paid or accounted for him. Question number 93. A agrees to pay B 1000 rupees if two straight lines should enclose a space. Answer: void. Question number 94. GST rate may vary from one type of goods to another type. Answer: true. Question number 95. GST rate may vary from state to state. Answer: false. Question number 96. A minor cannot employ an agent. Correct answer: true. Question number 97. A gratuitous bailment is terminated by the death of. Answer: either the bailer or the bailee. Question number 98. Anti-profiteering is dealt with in chapter dash of CGST rules. Answer: 15. 5. 15. Roman letter X and 5. That is 15. 5. Question number 99. What is true about pledge where owner has only a limited interest? Answer. The pledge is valid to the extent of the interest. Question number 100. A employs B as a bricklayer in building a house and puts up the scaffolding himself. The scaffolding is unskillfully put up and B is in consequence hurt. A need not make compensation to B as it is due to accident as per Contract Act. Correct answer false. Thank you.